Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best portable table saws that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the DeWalt DWE7491RS. If you're looking for a table saw for backyard projects or the job site, the DeWalt DWE7491RS is a great option. It is a 10 inches table saw that features a powerful 15-amp motor. This has an increased speed over previous models to run at 4,800 RPM. This higher blade speeds improves the ripping quality, delivering plenty of power for framing materials, plywood or solid woods. The DeWalt DWE7491RS has rack and pinion fence rails which ensure accuracy and enhance the overall performance of the saw. You can easily adjust the fence to ensure that they stay parallel to the blade. There are rails on the front and back of the saw that ensures that the fence rides accurately, eliminating fence drift. There is also a cross-cutting miter gauge. Moving on at number 4, we have the Bosch 4100XC10. The Bosch 4100XC10 is next on our list, offering precise cutting and a portable design for anyone who is looking to save space in their workstation. It is designed with a single action setup and takedown, making it easy to store and use on demand. With the job site mobility design, you can also take the portable table saw to work. It's also an ideal choice for those who are starting out with using a table saw. You can efficiently operate it to cross-cut and rip-cut different types of materials. The soft start circuitry system will manage the intensity of the startup to prevent accidents. The Bosch 4100XC10 also comes with a smart guard system for preventing blade contact while giving you a complete view of what you're cutting. At number 3, we have the SKILSA WSPT99-11. With a 180-day trial, there's almost no reason not to give this impressively built job site table saw from SKILSAW a try. The saw and included stand weigh in at just under 100 pounds, and users felt that the saw has a nice balance of power and weight. The 10-inch blade spins at 5,000 revolutions per minute, more than enough to get smooth cuts through most woods you'll be using at a job site. Plus, the blade assembly is able to accept dado blades up to 0.5 inches in width for making large joint cuts and has a 2.3-inch depth of cut for working through thick boards. At number 2, we have the DeWalt DW744XRS. This surprisingly compact table saw is ideal for contractors who need more power for small cuts rather than the ability to make buttery smooth rip cuts. The 3,650 revolution per minute blade is relatively slow among job site table saws, but given that the saw still uses a 15-amp motor, it's delivering a ton of torque. That can be an advantage when you're cutting through pressure-treated lumber and knotted hardwoods that are typically difficult to rip through with other table saws. Another advantage to this extra torque is that the saw is able to handle dado blades up to 0.8 inches in width. And finally at number 1, we have the Bosch 410009. This incredibly lightweight portable table saw from Bosch weighs in at just 60 pounds, although part of how it achieves that is by compromising on power. The table saw features a 4-horsepower motor instead of the usual 15-amp motor. However, users barely noticed a difference since this saw only spins at 3,650 revolutions per minute, maintaining the torque needed to cut through most wooden boards you're likely to have at a work site.
Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.